All right. Yeah, just could you tell me your name and which grade are you in right now?
My name is Lucinda Purdy, and I am in 12th grade.
Awesome. So before joining us, like, what were your struggles in math, especially?
I think my struggles were usually I was able to begin problems, but just I ended up getting stuck like kind of halfway through, um, just with, yeah, just figuring out the equation.
So you're like, start the problem, but you got stuck and you don't know how to move forward, and there's nobody to help you out when you are doing the problem.
Yeah.
Obviously, then in the class you can ask your teacher, but when you practice by yourself, there is no one to help you out, right?
hmm
Yeah. So what has helped you the most after coming, like after meeting me? Like, what was your take?
I think the most helpful thing was just having someone to help guide me through the problem and then also encouraging me to try it myself after.
Yeah, also like giving that little nudge of like push of having you to do it rather than always me explaining things rather than you also try those things. Yeah, yeah. What did you enjoy most about our classes?
I think just after I feel like I get um, a better understanding of a concept, yeah, it just helps me feel more confident after I feel like I understand something better.
Yeah, like your comprehension got better and better with each and individual class. Yeah.
Mhm.
If someone is considering working with us, what would you tell them? Like, what would you tell your friends if someone is like they're struggling in math and they want to look for a tutor?
I would definitely encourage them to work with you and make sure to be practicing problems in between sessions. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Do you think my reminder text messages kind of helped you in a way for
Yes.
you to be accountable after our session or before our session?
I would say it did. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, because you set a time, but you don't practice, that pulls you back in the progress. But yeah, I think you kept working, and you know, there is a little curve from where you started and where you ended up. I think you're in a good shape. You understand problems. You understand better than where we started. So I'm really
Mhm.
proud of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for today. Thank you for your testimony, and yeah, all the best for your future environmental science.
Thank you.
Hopefully, you take more
Yeah.
math classes and you stay with
I
me.
think I will. I think I will. Yeah.
Uh,
Thank you very much.
yeah, because I remember I had a roommate while I was doing my master's. He used to be he's an undergrad at UW, environmental
hmm
science. So I was speaking to him yesterday. He recently graduated from his master's program in biostats. I think you have like a clear path, like, there is environmental science, but you can also choose a lot of different things, like how you want.
hmm
So yeah, I'm I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one, Lucinda, and
You too.
hopefully we'll be in touch and maybe meet again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
You too. Bye.